So 39% said they have heard of it, but they actually didn't know what it was. 33% said they heard of it and they actually knew what it was. And 28% said they had not heard of it. The interesting thing is, of course, it does show that although metaverse, people know about it, it's almost like a buzzword, a little bit of a black box that they can't really describe if asked. So then, of course, that gets us to the question around, was it very clear to them when they were looking into metaverse? Do they completely understand what it is? Following that, we asked people if they actually participated in the metaverse. When we asked people, 67%, 2 1/3, said they haven't participated yet, but they're interested in it. So there's definitely curiosity. 14% said they have already participated, and 20%, 1 in 5, actually showed some rejection, saying they will not, they don't want to participate. We will discuss all of these, but I think the big question is, do we think people actually knew when they participated in metaverse if it's not very clear in their mind? So, Philippe, what's your take looking back into 2022?
Yeah, I think it's a lot about terminology, and I think a lot of people probably participated and they didn't know. They didn't know that was part of the metaverse. So Roblox is a good example. Roblox is an example of a metaverse that is already happening. And when the kind of metaverse started being discussed, I had a lot of colleagues asking their children, what is metaverse? And they had no idea. They wouldn't know what it is. They wouldn't know that they participated on. But if they ask them what's Roblox, most of them were actually there and active users. Not only children, but a lot of adults use Roblox and Fortnite, and they wouldn't know that this is actually already the metaverse. And one example is something similar is, for example, with the internet. We stopped using Go Online in our promos and pre-rolls and messages because people are always online now, especially children. If you tell them go online, it doesn't mean anything to them because they're already there. They're on their phones and tablets, and they're always online, and we are always online. So I think it's probably to do with that. So I think probably the number of people who participated is much bigger. They just don't know that this activity is part of it.